guys, today we're going to how to do patterns on this 5. Hey guys, today we're going to make the 5x5. Today we're going to make checkerboard on the dot pattern on this 5x5. You can do it in any 5x5. First pattern is, on the list, is the checkerboard pattern. It's easy to make. You can just do the opposite side, like this. The opposite side. You need white and yellow strings on this way. Then corner cut them look like that way. Then one makes sense. That's 2 done. Then you do like this and this and make the checkerboard pattern. It actually is so easy to make. I can do a quick one in this. Very easy to make if you do it the same way. You had your turn. Do not do this fast in home. You're not fast on keyboard here. Okay, so now let's move on to another pattern. Now we're going to do the dot pattern on this 5x5. I think I dropped. It's so easy to make. You can make it at home. But if you mess up one turn, scramble the whole cube. First you have to do this, then this to make the dot at the same way. Then you will end up like this. Then do this, then this, and the exact same. Then you will be one layer done. Then we need to do the other side. If you want, you can do a dot and dot and dot at the same color. No, not the same. You can do one color, 2 dots, or any color you want. Then rotate this way. Then put the blue in that way. Then solve the 3x3 piece. Then you're out with this. You see? That's easy. Now solve it. Now I can solve it almost blindfolded. First step done. Then you have to make that one that way. This way. So that will make a nice pattern. Had to go backwards again. That will make it easy sense with our complication. Okay, now backwards again. If you ended up with a white and yellow dot, you will be wrong because this will mess up your whole solve. It's hard to solve. So that way and that way. Then I messed up. Then then that way, and that way, then that way, then go. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. Everything is solved. And subscribe right here, like right here, and remember to share and watch the full video. Goodbye.